The trading session on Wall Street, and look at that Nasdaq go down. We're off at 200 points. That's pre-market. All right, Mike Lee with us this morning. First of all, Mike, what do you make of the Apple iPhone situation and the possible extension of the ban beyond government workers? How serious is this?
Look, it's very serious, Mike. You don't want any news like that coming out about one of the most influential stocks in the world. So we don't like negative headlines for Apple in any way, shape, or form. We need everything to go well so that the market does well.
What do you make of the government, I'm going to use the expression, going after Google and Amazon? They're going after the crown jewels. Is that a negative for all big tech?
Well, look, Google is ripe to be broken up. Right. And so something needs to be done about them. They have such an overwhelming dominance in so many different markets, not only search, but online advertising. When you have one company that has that amount of control, and then Amazon definitely has their own issues. And we're at a point in American history where these mega companies are running the government, and I think at a certain point, the government needs to show them who's boss. I don't know if it's this administration or this Justice Department, but I welcome these sorts of investigations of these companies. And in the case of Google, breaking up that company will ultimately, in my opinion, unlock value.
Yes, actually, it could be worth more in parts than it is as a whole. Last one. I believe the only stock that you're truly bullish on is Nvidia. If that's the case, make your case.
Yeah, look, I think everyone has it wrong. They don't understand the difference between linear growth and exponential growth. And they look on their screens and they see 112 price to earnings multiple, where in reality, that's more like a 30 or 40 if they keep on this trajectory, if not lower. I've never seen any sort of growth like this in any company. The tech spend, the tidal wave of tech spend for AI is coming right now. And how that will play out in the rest of corporate America, I'm not sure. But, you needed to buy pickaxes in the gold rush. And right now with Nvidia's chips, they are selling the best pickaxes that have ever existed.
Okay. Good analogy right there. Mike, thank you very much indeed. He pressed the button and we are off and running. The Nasdaq guy pressed the button, and I want to see what happens to the Nasdaq at the opening bell. We'll deal with the Dow